Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Ramadan and we're taking a look today at the number 70 masjid on the quarantine Barbies. Let's go and see what they're cooking. So they have 3 fireside here and let's see what's in here. So we have chicken curry being cooked by the main cook, Masood. And then we have dal, nice dal of jeera and pepper there. And then we have rice. The rice is boiling here now. So you have chicken curry, dal and rice. Let's go. Sabi main cook. One of the best chef in Barbies. He just take higher out of Ramadan. All occasions. Original dal pat. Ano beli dal?
Dari itu kadang.
Nice jeera and pepper.